This 2019 Lance 1172 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.